You want me on, you want me gone, you want it now so you can win. You want me out, you want me down, this time it's no, not again. I'm picking them up, uranium pieces that you call your love. Picking them up, don't say it again, once was enough. So what if you're impatient, you can sit down and wait. I'm not moving one bit faster cause you threw my love away. Now I tried to make you understand how good I'd like to be. I could see the vision clearly, you just don't see it with me. No, 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 no. So now it's me out on my own. Opened your hand and off I flew. There isn't one, there is a home to pull me off away from you. Now picking them up, uranium pieces that you call your love. Picking them up, don't say it again, once was enough. So what if you're impatient, you can sit down and wait. I'm not moving one bit faster cause you threw my love away. Now I tried to make you understand how good our life could be. I could see the vision clearly, but you don't see it with me. No, 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 no. Well, it hurts to hear the truth, but I'll be stronger in the end. There is a moment coming for you. You look around to find a friend, and all you'll have is picking them up, bloody shot pieces alone with your love. Picking them up. You told me I hurt you, now you're not enough. So what if now you're hurting, babe? Your pain is too late. You're in an empty place because you threw my love away. Now I tried to make you understand how good our life could be. I could see the vision clearly, now I'm seeing only me. I was the one with all the vision, babe, but now you don't have me. Thank you. Always knew we were a mess. You didn't tell me no, but you didn't tell me yes. Wanted to love you and be loved. Guess I'm a crazy boy who asked for too much. But when you laid me on your bed, I knew, baby, that you were running free. You were gonna be my engine, baby. I didn't want to see. We both know we're living a lie. Let's live it a little bit longer. I'm loving you, you're loving me. We don't want the same thing, and maybe hold harder. Now I know these things, they gotta change. It scares me till I'm insane. We both know we're living a lie. Let's live it a little bit longer. Something I found out to be true. One day you'll leave me or you'll make me leave you. But for now we're having so much fun. Even if I know now that you're not the one. 'Cause when you laid me on your bed, I knew, baby, that you were running free. You were gonna be my ending, baby. I didn't want to see. We both knew we're living a lie. Little bit longer. I'm loving you, you're loving me. We don't want the same thing, and makes me hold harder. Now I know these things, they gotta change. It scares me till I'm insane. We both know we're living a lie. Let's live it Thank you guys so much for coming out. How you doing? Yeah? Feeling good? Yeah? Wasn't everybody so good tonight? We have had such a variety. I've been amazed, honestly. We've had like Simon and Garfunkel and just beautiful jazz singers, and I'm so happy to be here and just really grateful to, be sharing music with so many talented people. So I'm Jac. Hi. And I'm joined tonight with Julia Starr. Hello. And Lindsay Thomas. And this is Nick. But he's an amazing songwriter and guitarist, and you can actually find him on the gram at Common Air Music. Oh my God, the gram! And I also made a super cute hand-painted sign with my gram, so you can find me there too. So we're gonna keep making music. Thank you for coming to listen to it. Ready to... Hell yeah. Let's go. No. Wait. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Even with my eyes open, I see you. When the words come out of my mouth, I hear you. Wherever you might be, I know you're in me. In this crowd, no. What? We're gonna do that again, yo.
This is real.
Yep, okay. All day today, I've been singing the second verse instead of the first verse. It's been an adventure. And I'm cool with that. Go! Even with my eyes open, I see you. When the words come out of my mouth, I hear you. Wherever you might be, I know you're with me. Singing songs on my own in a quiet room. Heard my echo for a second, I could swear it's you. If I might see you in the river running deep. And though I feel all my safe places have melted and gone, in my mind there's a place where our love lives on. And I'd run back to the place I used to know. And I'd run back to the place that felt like home. When I close my eyes, dreaming I hear us, laughing at the Sunday funnies I see us. It's everyday things that feel real in my memories. But the world is hard on people who lost love. Buying groceries, being lonely, it's not enough. They don't look at me and know you're missing from the world. And though it feels all my safe places have melted and gone, in my mind there's a place where our love lives on. And I'd run back down that road, back to the place I used to know. And I'd run back to the place that felt like home. Be happy for the good Tonight I'm out searching for an answer to a question that I didn't want to ask. There's nothing I can put between me and the pain. A glass of wine, catching someone's eye won't make it go away. I've cried enough tears, baby, I could make it rain. Rivers and oceans, fading your stains. Let them wash off the fingerprints grief left on my skin. I watch them roll away with all the traces of him. You are clean. Don't worry about a thing. No one can make life easy, but you will be fine after your world falls down. You will rise. Oh, 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 you will rise. But I'm clearing your energy, set myself free. You are free. Don't worry about a thing. No one can make life easy, but you will be fine after your world falls down. You will rise. Oh, 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 oh. As I wash away you, I see the magic in me. As I wash away you, stars shining from my eyes. As I wash away you, I'm coming back to life. You are clean. Don't worry about a thing. No one can make life easy, but you will be fine. When you walk down, you are clean. Don't worry about a thing. No one can make life easy. You will be fine after the world falls down. You are free. Don't worry about a thing. No one can make life easy. You will be fine after the world falls down. You will rise. How are we doing on time? How are we doing on time? We good?
We're we're good.
All right. The front row says we're good. All right, so how many of you guys are familiar with the band Muna? Hmm? Yes, we have at least one queer in the house. All right, yes. One of my favorite bands is Muna, leading the joyful queer revolution. And so we are gonna do our first cover of the evening. This song is called Anything But Me. Wait, this is right? Okay, cool. Sometimes I can pop off. Got a bit of a cough drop? Cool. Done this whole show with a cough drop in my mouth, so. Living large. Drive that tempo. Everybody, let's do this! You're gonna say that I'm on a high horse. I think that my horse is regular size. Everything maybe you're on a pony, going in circles in a carousel ride. You're gonna say I asked for the moon. I think that it's you with your head in the skies. All that I wanted was somebody honest, looking for more than their next good time. You say that you wanna change, well I hope you get everything you want, everything you want. You say that you need release, well I hope you get everything you need, everything but me. 'Cause I don't wanna stick around trying to work it out when everything feels wrong, everything feels wrong. But it's all love and it's no regrets. You can call me if there's anything you need, anything but said I always had one foot out, maybe I got two now. Good thing I've never been afraid of goodbyes. You say that you wanna change, well I hope you get everything you want, everything you want. You say that you need relief, well I hope you get everything you need, everything but me. 'Cause I don't wanna stick around trying to work it out when everything feels wrong, everything feels wrong. All love and it's no regrets. You can call me if there's anything you need, anything but me, yeah, yeah, me, yeah, yeah, me, yeah, yeah, anything you need, anything but me. And sure, it's not so black and white. Sure, I'm gonna cry for the love we couldn't keep. I'd rather lose you than who I'm meant to be. So you can have anything but me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can have anything but me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You say that you want to change, well I hope you get everything you want, everything you want. You say that you need relief, well I hope you get everything you need, everything but me. 'Cause I don't wanna sit around trying to work it out when everything feels wrong, everything feels wrong. It's all love and it's no regret. You can call me if there's anything you need, anything but me. Yeah, yeah, me. Anything you need, anything but me. We have one more if we have time. All righty, sounds yeah. Cool. Water and some re-up on a cough drop, y'all. How you doing? Still good? Still with us? Yeah, you are. Fuck yeah, you are. Give it to me. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, you're not asleep out there. No, it's a Thursday night. That's like Saturday. Yes, exactly. This guy knows. He's serving it on the front row. He's giving me fashion. He's giving me beauty. Yes, absolutely. Yes. And the guy next to you, beautiful hair. Been noticing all night. You literally have been like, and I've been like, okay, I'm trying to work up here, but fine. If you must. Maybe one more for the road. So this one's a little bit more chill, but we love closing with it because it's just so pretty. It's not ours. It's by an up-and-coming band. If you guys don't know who Truesdale is, I will literally spell it for you. Go on Spotify. Trousdale. D-A-L-E. Truesdale. Yeah, it's so good. This song is called Always, Joni. It'll come right up, okay? And it's so beautiful. So we're gonna do it, and you're gonna love it, and it's gonna be great. Will you guys move your mics closer, though? We're gonna get like some Andrew Sisters vibes up in here, okay? Louise, singing out. Should we switch? No? Okay.
Are you good with me being over here? Are you good with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Always on the right. Oh, shit, I forgot.
I know, I was like, is that okay for you?
I don't sing lead on this one, so. I think so. Let's do it. Doing this. All right, ready. I'm a savage.
Oh
Guys, thank you so much for being so supportive and lovely and attractive and for coming out. And yeah, go drink alcohol and we'll chatter and we'll have a nice time. And we love you so much. And truly, thank you. Thank you. It's the people who come and listen that make music possible.